Hello, welcome to OnLive Server. So today in the short video tutorial I'm going to tell you about the cheap dedicated server hosting plans that we at OnLive Server is providing to our clients worldwide. So right now we have a dedicated server facilities available for 35 plus locations globally, but in this video I am going to tell you that if you are a person or if you are a client who are interested or who is having a need of dedicated server for India location, then how you can purchase and how you can complete the transaction from our website. So just open onliveserver.com, just on the main dashboard go to dedicated server and click on all dedicated servers. After clicking on this link, it will be transferred to a page where you will find the list of all the 35 plus locations with the name. Okay, now see here, now here you can see the name of all the locations. So just go and click on India dedicated server hosting. Okay, so our main physical data center is located in Noida, Delhi NCR region of India, and for India totally we have around 8 plans. Okay, this is the minimum configuration plan starting from DSX1 and it goes up to a max of DSX8. So total we have 8 plans. These are the short intro of these of our dedicated server service plan, which you can just read out. So in the first plan, let us talk about if you are a person who is having a minimal use, if you need it for a hosting purpose, or if you are having a website, or you are having some project and you have a minimum requirement which is more than VPS, but the configurations are a bit on the higher side, then obviously you can go with this plan. So here you can see that this is the India server DSX1 plan. Okay, the processor is Intel Xenon E3-2136. If you need more information, you can just Google this processor and you will find cores. There are total 6 cores, threads 12 thread for threads 4.5 gigahertz. The RAM is of 16 GB RAM and the space is 480 GB SSD RAID 1. Okay, and here we are providing RAID 1. So what is the RAID 1? It is the replica of the disk, which for more information you can just Google it out about that, what is RAID 1 and RAID 1, RAID 2, RAID 0, and I hope everyone must be aware of such terms. So if this requirement matches with your requirement, then just go and click on buy now. As soon as you click on buy now, you will find that this page is now transferred to the shopping cart page. Now here you can check that this is the India dedicated server DSX1. This is the processor name, this is 6 core 12 thread CPU, this is RAM, this one is hard disk, traffic is obviously unlimited bandwidth, it is fully managed server, and the server setup time is 0 to 24 hours, that is max. Okay, now for billing cycle you can just select it as per your need and easiness of the payment, and then scroll it down and go to the configurable option. Okay, so in configurable option it's like, see, this is a dedicated server. Okay, so either you can go with Linux flavor and you can select any of these operating systems like CentOS, Ubuntu or Debian and all. Also you can go for the Windows server. Okay, so just scroll it down and here you will find that these are all the additions of Windows server starting from 2008, 12, 16. Okay, and obviously we also have Windows Server 2019, that is data center edition. So you can select any of this operating system as per your need. The control panel, obviously this is the control panel. The best one is like if you are using it for the hosting purpose, then you can go with the cPanel, and these are the charges that up to 100 account you have to pay this much, up to 125 accounts you have to pay this much, 150, 175, so it goes accordingly. Okay, so whatever the items which you will select from here, it will go on adding in the order summary page. So right now we have to pay a total of 10,646. You just go and click on continue. As soon as you click on continue, okay, then now it is ready for checkout. Just click on checkout. Okay, so this is the final form. If you are already registered with our company, then you can just go and click on already registered. Otherwise you just have to fill your personal informations like first name, last name, your email address, phone number. Always remember to enter your correct mail address, otherwise your server might get suspended. Okay, so now billing address and all information is, you can enter it easily. Now this is the payment detail. Okay, so this much amount which you have to pay annually for India dedicated server DSX1. The payment method, obviously we have wide varieties or wide ranges of payment method. You can select any of these payment methods and you can just complete the payment. So after performing all this step, if you have additional information or if you want some additional instructions for our technical team, obviously you can enter it anytime here, and then you can just click and complete the order. As soon as you click on complete order, you will be redirected to the payment confirmation page. After paying the payment, your order will be set up, okay, by our technical team, and the minimum delivery time is 0 to 12 hours to 24 hours at max, okay. If in this complete process, if you need any help, then obviously anytime you can just click on this chat window and chat with one of our representatives, or you can just call us or WhatsApp us or just comment it down. We will get back to you. Thank you.